In 2026, Israel has once again demonstrated its cutting-edge aerospace capabilities with the unveiling of its latest airjet and missile systems. Built by Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI, in collaboration with Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and Elbit Systems. This new generation of aerial technology combines precision, stealth, and next-gen avionics to ensure air dominance in the Middle East and beyond. Designed for both offensive and defensive missions, these platforms reflect the culmination of decades of combat experience, technological advancement, and innovative military engineering. The exterior design of the 2026 Israeli airjet is a blend of stealth, aerodynamic excellence, and adaptability. With sharp, low-radar cross-section contours and composite material skin, the jet minimizes its detectability while maximizing speed and maneuverability. The twin-engine layout is concealed within airframe contours, optimized for reduced infrared signature. Its wings are moderately swept with integrated weapon hardpoints and internal bays, allowing the aircraft to carry an arsenal without compromising its radar profile. Equipped with an advanced active electronically scanned array (ASA) radar housed in the nose and electro-optical targeting systems beneath the fuselage, the jet reflects a hybrid of American F-35 stealth and Israeli customization. Inside the cockpit, the aircraft boasts a fully digital, glass panel interface designed for maximum pilot efficiency and situational awareness. A helmet-mounted display system (HMDS) allows the pilot to target and command weapons simply by looking at the threat. Enhanced with AI-assisted systems, the avionics suite includes real-time battlefield data linking, threat prediction algorithms, and autonomous countermeasure deployment. The ejection seat is fourth generation with auto-eject under catastrophic scenarios, and the ergonomic layout ensures the pilot remains comfortable even in extended missions under high-G conditions. Performance-wise, the Israeli 2026 airjet is formidable. It is powered by twin high-thrust afterburning turbofan engines capable of supercruise, sustaining supersonic flight without afterburners. The top speed exceeds Mach 2.2 with a service ceiling of over 60,000 feet and a combat range of around 1,500 kilometers, extendable with aerial refueling. It exhibits superior agility in dogfights with 3D thrust vectoring nozzles and fly-by-light control systems, making it extremely responsive. The aircraft can engage in both long-range missile duels and close-range air-to-air combat with seamless transition. The missile systems developed in 2026 complement the jet's capabilities with a mix of air-to-air, air-to-surface, and standoff precision munitions. The upgraded Python 6 missile features advanced infrared homing with AI-based threat tracking, while the DerbyX missile brings active radar homing and beyond visual range strike capability. New variants of the Spice glide bomb allow